What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick heads up here on nat gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So in my yesterday's video, I've said that we'll be looking to enter our buy trades with the 50% retracement, but I forgot to mention that we can also get a possible double top pattern. Now, let me show you the 50% retracement which we had. If you follow me from last couple of months, you know, I adjust my Fib tool till we get a start of a pullback. So from the top of this candle, if you pull a Fibonacci tool to this zone below, right here, now if you are my MMTA student, you know how exactly we mark the Fibonacci tool until where. Now at this point, if you see, exactly at 50% retracement, right here the order has been triggered and the initial target was 1 ATR. Now from the ruler tool, if you see from here, if you pull up, we have 2 ATR target has been hit easily. So that is how we take an entry using the Fibonacci retracement and the aggressive entry with Fibonacci retracement. So at this point, it is not one of my pullback entry. It invalidates one of my rule. Now if you are my student, you know why, but it is not a valid pullback pattern, but it is a valid aggressive entry that triggered your order and now price hits your take profit at this point. Now for the next buy trade, I'm going to give you the condition very shortly. For now, I want to give you a heads up here. We can get a possible double top pattern which we are getting from this rejection zone. So mark your rejection zone, something like this, from the top wick to the bodies of the candle, right here from the first stop, and now we have a pattern set. So at this point, if this candle closed as a bearish engulfing candle, we have a good sell signal. If it closed as a red candle, we still have a sell signal, but that will be an aggressive sell signal. So bearish candle right here that will close in a couple of hours. In that case, we will have an entry and target will be again 1 ATR, and then you can manage it accordingly. If you want to manage it 2 ATR, that's totally up to you. I'll personally keep my stop loss. Let's say the candle close here, I personally keep my stop loss above this pattern and then go 1 to 1 initially and then manage it accordingly. That is how I place my positions. So keep an eye here. We can get a possible double top pattern here. If this candle won't close, let's say it closes back up, I'll still look for my double top pattern within this area, a red bearish engulfer or a red candle or a 382 candle within this rejection box. Whatever I get in this area, I'll look for my sell trades. For now, look for a good pullback. We have an overbought situation in the RSI. We're also getting a divergence in the RSI, and then if we have a double top pattern, we have a good RSI divergence. In that case, I will go short. I only want to see a good bearish engulfer within this rejection box. Once we have that, we are good to go short. Now the next buy trade will be above this top. If we have a break above this top, in that case, I'll start to look for my buy condition till the price at the next upper level of this resistance level, which is 3.432. I've already mentioned these zones in my yesterday's video. If you want to take a look, please take a look at my yesterday's video. So this is one of my buy condition. Or if we have a very good dramatic fall above 50 EMA anywhere followed by bullish engulfing candle, in that case, I will take another buy trade. So for now, if we have a sell condition, I will go short. And if I see a buy condition above 50 EMA with bullish engulfer or within this zone, again, I've mentioned these zones in my yesterday's video. If you want to check that out, please take a look at my yesterday's video and mark these zones on your charts. And then a bullish engulfer will be another buy signal. So we are still in an uptrend. We can just expect a pullback in an uptrend before the price will head higher again. So keep an eye here. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our entries. Exactly the same here on capital.com. Just mark your rejection zone. As you can see, the price has hit the level of resistance, and just mark your rejection zones like this and look for a conditions like bearish engulfer. Let's say we have a next candle as a red candle, or if this candle closed as a 382 candle, and the way you can check the 382 candle is with the Fib tool from the top till the bottom of the body. If the body is below the 382 retracement, which in my case we have a blue line, in that case we also have a sell signal and price will likely head lower, and we can get a very big pullback maybe till 20 EMA or 50 EMA, and have these zones on the charts, a zone from where we will look for another buy trade with bullish engulfers or a double bottom entry condition. Have these zones on the charts. I have already mentioned these zones for all three platforms from NEMEX as well in my yesterday's video. In case you missed it, please take a look at my yesterday's video. Here on NEMEX, we do not have a double top here. If you are trading on this platform, I'll be only looking at a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA for buy trades. If we have that, we are good to go long from here. But if we have a pullback on the other platform, of course, we're going to get a pullback here as well. If you want to mark your rejection zones, it will be something like this, and the next buy trade will be above 50 EMA. Wherever I get a pullback followed by bullish engulfer, I'm going to take longs. Next one, we have gold. So gold has broken above, as mentioned in my yesterday's video, that I'll be looking to enter my buy trade once we have a complete break and close above this high. Now we have that, and now we're getting a possible pullback. If this candle closed as a bullish engulfing candle, in that case, we have a valid buy signal, and I will go one ATR for my target, which is $7, 7.8, almost $8 will be my targets. So that's what I'm looking at for gold. If you have a condition, we are good to go long. From here, if there is no condition, I'll still wait for another high from here, and then a pullback, and then look for exact same condition, something like this. I want to see a bullish engulfer after a pullback. Once we have that, we are good to go long for gold. And the next zone to take your sell trades will be right up there, and the number in blue 1889.31 goes up to 1907.01, from where we'll be looking to enter sell trades with bearish engulfers or double top entry pattern. Right here for silver is still ranging within this area. I want to see a complete break above this high. Once we have that, we are good to go along. You're also getting a little flag pattern right here, and once we have a break above this pattern, we can get a possible push up as well. And the next buy trade will be if we have a break above this high with a pullback, bullish engulfer, and keep on taking longs till I get a good condition to enter my sell trade within this area, like bearish engulfers or double top entry patterns. To keep an eye, once we have a conditions, we are good to take our entries. For now, I'm not taking any entries for silver till I get a good condition to enter my buy or sell trade. Buy will be above this high with a pullback, and sell will be within this zone, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video right here. Otherwise, after this flag pattern, we can also get a breakout of this flag pattern soon. Once we have a breakout close above this pattern, we also have a signal, and then price will give us a good push up. So the last one, we have crude oil. It's also ranging sideways, and I'm not taking any trades till the price hit the zone above, which is right here 87.95, goes up to 89.29, from where I'll be looking to enter for a little scalp for my sell trade. Won't be expecting a big targets, but a little scalp that will be enough to hit my target. ATR is $1, which is high at this point, so I'll be only looking for $1 for my SL and take profit. Once we have a hit of this zone, followed by bearish engulfers or my double top entry conditions. Once we have the condition, I'm going to take my sell trade from this area of value. This is a minor zone, not expecting a very big fall from here, but a pullback that is enough to hit my targets, and then the price will likely head higher to the next level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram, or you can always email me at support@moneymarkets.net. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.